Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door lights in your 7th-gen Nissan Maxima on the front and rears. Now, there's nothing wrong with mine. So like I said in the previous video, I just recently changed to the 2014 OEM factory grill. Now, the chrome part is not staying chrome. Once spring rolls back around and it gets warm, I will be painting it gloss black. Permanent gloss black. I'm not vinyl wrapping, none of that. So I got these from my partners over at Oxito.com. They've been a partner of the channel for a few years now, and still to this day I still use them because they are a good brand. So if you head on over to www.oxito.com, you'll get 15% off your order using promo code Mark Rodriguez. So the ones I got in here is white, and I will be changing them to red. So these come in amber, white, red, as I said, and blue. So I'm gonna cut this open, and then we're gonna proceed to replacing all of these to red. All right, so what you wanna do is just pull towards you and be careful, and then just pull out the LED. Or you could get some needle nose or whatever and push it out. And then I'll just keep these if one of the interior lights blow out. And then we're going to get our red one, and we are going to slide that in. Is it? I believe it's reverse polarity, so it won't matter which way you put it in, but we're about to find that out. Yeah, so you want to make sure that slides all the way back. Well, for this one, it doesn't slide all the way back, but it still gets inside here. And then what you want to do, just slide it in and lift up. All right, for the rear door, it's the same exact procedure. Slide the new one in. My fingers is way too big for this. I'm gonna slide it over a little bit. That way I can stay in contact. Right. Alright, so passenger, it's no different. Pull out the bolts. You pretty much got the gist of how to replace the bolts by now. We just did the driver's side of the car, front and rear doors, and now we're doing the passenger side of the car. Alright, and the last rear passenger door. Well, last door. You get what I mean. Alright, and then just pop it back into place. And voila. That's how you replace your door lights on your 7th-gen Nissan Maxima 2009, 2014. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.